Hey, my family. I hope it's all good in the neighborhood. Y'all, I'm getting ready to make some baked snapper. Y'all, this snapper is very easy recipe, very easy to make. I have already washed my salmon. I took all of the fins off, but the tail fin. I always leave the tail fin on. I kind of, even though the fish was already scaled, but I kind of go over it anyway, and I just take my lime and just wash it all away to make sure it's good and clean. So, y'all, these are my vegetables. I'm going to lay my snapper on top of these vegetables when I am finished preparing. So, we have corn, we have potatoes, we have tricolor peppers, we have cherry tomatoes, purple onions. And so what I do, I just lay them out on a sheet pan and I go ahead and start seasoning these vegetables. The first thing I season with is the Tony's Creole seasoning. I love the Tony's Creole seasoning on any dish. Absolutely delicious. And I'm going to season these up real good. Now I'm going to go ahead and add lemon butter garlic. I'm not going to put any regular butter on here. I love this dried lemon butter garlic. You can purchase this at Sam's. That's where I got it from. And y'all, it makes your vegetables taste delicious, y'all. And y'all let me know, have you all ever tried the snapper on top of your vegetables? It's like a one pot meal here, y'all. You can put your snapper on top and have your vegetables. And what I'm doing now, and I took the tops off of the bell peppers and the bottoms, and I have some fresh parsley, purple onions, and these are the things I had left over from cutting my vegetables for the sheet pan. And I'm just adding these, and this is what I'm going to use as my seasoning base for this snapper. And I'm going to put this in the crevices, and I'm going to stuff the snapper with it. Now I'm adding lemon juice. You may use fresh lemon, but this is the lemon juice that I am using. I'm using minced garlic. So if you want fresh garlic, if you want this, the fresh garlic, you can use that. But I'm using 2 teaspoons of this minced garlic in here, and we're gonna get ready to blend all this up, and all those flavors are gonna come together. And I'm gonna use 1 teaspoon of pesto, just 1 teaspoon of that. And we're going to get this together to go on top. And we're going to also use, y'all, have you all ever tried this lime pepper? This lime pepper, y'all, is delicious. It gives this dish a really good taste. And it tastes similar to lemon pepper, only it's just got a little more tang to it. And I love that. This pepper is delicious, y'all, on chicken wings. It's delicious on chicken wings. So I'm using some Sazon, and I'm going to put that in there, and I'm going to put maybe a half a teaspoon. I don't want to go too heavy on salt on this dish, but anytime I'm baking a fresh fish, I like to have it pretty good, and with salt on it, because that helps bring the flavor out. So I'm going in with about a teaspoon of paprika in here. And so what I'm going to do, we're going to get this all blended up. Oh, garlic salt. So I added garlic salt. You can add the salt-free garlic powder or the garlic salt. So I just wanted to add the garlic salt. So we're going to go ahead and get this all blended up together. And what it's going to create is it's going to create a paste, and this paste is what we're going to use on our fish. Now I have 4 of these snappers, so I'm just cutting it cutting it slantwise. And the reason I'm cutting it like this, because I want to when I add my seasoning, I want to go ahead and get my seasoning into this. So I always score my fish whenever I'm baking it, because I want to get my seasoning inside of this fish. I'm going to put seasoning on the inside, but I just like to go ahead and score it. And like I say, I took all of the fins off of this, every one of them but the tail fin. So this fish is nice and clean and it's ready to go. So I have some cautious salt here, and I'm going to salt this on the inside and out, and I'm going to massage this in. I don't want to use a whole lot, but I have to have a little salt on my baked fish. You know, for those of you who don't use salt, you can also use Mrs. Dash, but I have to have a little salt on this fish. So this is the paste that I made. So I'm adding this paste into the scores that I made on this fish, and I'm massaging this paste all through the fish. And I'm going to add some also on the inside of this fish. So this mixture is good, y'all, with that lime sauce. You have got to try that a lime pepper salt. It is so delicious on fish, seafood. Oh my God, it's delicious. So we're what I'm doing now, I stuffed the lime. I mean, not the lime. I'm sorry, y'all. I stuffed the vegetable mix inside. So when I did that, I went ahead and put a couple of slices of lemon in each fish, and I also added a purple onion on the inside of each fish. So I'm going to go ahead and cover this up for about 30 minutes, 350 degrees, preheated oven. So I'm going to cover this with foil. And after I cut halfway through the cooking, I'm going to remove the foil off because I want just a little crunch on the top of this fish. And you have your whole meal. You have a full meal deal right here. And with this fish, what I did after I cooked it, I sauteed some kale. So we also had the vegetables, the potatoes, and I had my kale. Or you can add a salad with this, y'all, which would be perfect. And this is low fat meal, and it's delicious. It was delicious, y'all. So it's getting ready to go in the oven. So you let me know y'all let me know down below what type of fish you like to bake. I don't like all types of fish baked. I don't like grouper or anything like that. My only two baking fish is this fish and trout. I love to bake trout. That is my favorite fish to bake. Okay, y'all, it's out. Our vegetables are good and tender. The fish is good. So I went ahead and I plated it up. I added lemon because this fish is so good with lemon squeezed over it. The vegetables are delicious with that butter seasoning on there, that garlic butter seasoning. Oh, it is absolutely delicious, y'all. I appreciate y'all watching this video to the end. And like, share, and subscribe. And y'all, I cooked 4 fish, 2 for today and 2 for tomorrow. That's right, y'all. I don't mind eating leftovers. So y'all please like, share, and subscribe, and tell a friend to tell a friend about my channel and my video. I really would appreciate it. And y'all be good to yourself. And if you be good to yourself, you have no other choice but to be good to others. Y'all, this is a delicious, healthy dish, and this fish is really delicious and flavorful, and those seasonings have soaked down in this fish, y'all. Oh my goodness, it is delicious, y'all. Enjoy this beautiful dish and let me know if you're gonna make it, and follow this tutorial for the sauce on this fish, and enjoy. Be blessed.